Did you know that 87% of women have a favorite go-to position that they wish their partner knew about? Imagine knowing exactly what she loves without even asking. Sounds like a game changer, right? Today, we'll reveal the top 3 positions women secretly enjoy more than you might realize. Plus, we'll dive into the science behind why these positions work so well. Stay tuned till the end for a tip that could transform your intimate life forever. Don't worry, we're not suggesting you become Sherlock Holmes in the bedroom, but a little detective work never hurts. All right, let's break it down. These positions not only rank high on the pleasure scale, but also create an emotional connection that women find irresistible. Position 1. The side saddle. This position is perfect for deep intimacy and relaxation. A study in the archives of sexual behavior found that slower-paced positions like this enhance oxytocin release, the hormone responsible for bonding and trust. Could this be the secret to making her feel more connected than ever? Position 2. Elevated doggy style. This twist on a classic hits different. It provides better angles for deeper stimulation, which, according to experts, can lead to more intense sensations for her. Plus, it's a workout for you too. Who said leg day was only for the gym? Position 3. Lotus. This position is all about eye contact and synchronized rhythm. Studies show that eye contact during intimacy activates the same brain areas as falling in love. It's like a romantic movie, but better. These positions aren't just about pleasure. They're about connection, trust, and turning your intimate moments into unforgettable experiences. And remember, every partner is unique. Communication is the key to unlocking what she truly loves. Want to learn how to keep her coming back for more? Don't forget to hit subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.